So, good day everyone. Welcome in Data Communication and Networking 1 under Miss Maridel Liwanag. So, for today's video, what we will do is the laboratory exercise number 7. What the instruction said is that get a piece of paper na walang sulat. And since what I did, these are my scratch papers. These are the computations or the practices that I made. Nag-practice ako for the laboratory 7. It's not, good to see dahil gulo-gulo. So, I made my own questionnaires in the MS Word para organize siya. So, this is what I made. Andyan yung mga answers ko. And then, I will show you on my laptop para makita natin talaga ng maayos yung mga answer ko. So, what I have learned with Miss Maridel Liwanag is that if the decimal number has the value on the sa upper part, it means it is a yes. So, we put 1. But if the value is too big or too small, we give 0 or it is a no. So, for us to be able to get the value easily, we can start with the highest. And then, that's all. Then we will go with my laptop. I'll show you in my laptop So we're back. So we are now here in front of my laptop. So this is what I did. Okay. So, can we get the value of 120 of 4 with 128? Of course, no. With 64, no. With 32, no. With 16, no. With 8, no. Can we get the value of 4 with 4? Of course, yes. So, we put 1. With 2, no. With 1, no. So, how about 29? Can we get the value of 29 with 128, 64, and 32? No. How about 16? Yes, so we put 1. How about 8? 1. How about 4? Yes. So that's how I answer my laboratory exercise. Yung pinanghawakan ko yung tip na sinabi ni Miss Maridel. I don't know if my answer now is correct or no. So I will just wait for Miss Maridel feedback about it. But this is how I understand yung tinuro niya. Okay. With B, ito yung kanyang binary number. With C, yan. And then, on the second number, we have to convert these binary numbers to decimal. Okay, wala pala akong answer na nakalagay dito. Pero dun sa scratch ko, meron na. So, what I did here is like, I add this 128 with 32. Okay. So, 128 plus 32. Let's minimize this. 1. Asan yung calculator natin? Let's use the calculator. Dito ka. Excuse me. So, 128 plus, what's that? 32. Plus 32 equals 160. So, let's put 160. Okay. How about this one? 16. Excuse me. 16 plus 8 plus the 24. Ay. What's that? 16 plus 8. 24. So, 24 plus 2 plus 2 is 26. 26. Okay. Next. So, 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. How about this one? 128. 128 plus 64 is 192 plus 8, 200 plus 4, 204 plus 2, 206 plus 1, 207. So, 207. So, if we will convert this binary numbers to decimal, it will be 207.7.26.160. Wait. It will be, ano ba to? 207.7.26.160. Ayan. Ayan yung decimal nito. Okay, let's proceed with the third question. So, with the third question, what is the network address in binary? So, ito yung sagot ko. Oh, with 1, it's very easy. We put 0 all on sa lahat ng yun kasi hindi naman natin makukuha yung value ng 1 with those on the upper location of the table, only 1. So, dun sa 1 lang tayo naglagay. So, with 168, kaya ba na makuha ng value ng sa 128? Of course. So, we put yes. And also in 32 and 8. Ganon din sa 192. So, ayan yung answer ko. So, sa subnet mask, in binary, ito yung binary ng nitong 255.255.255.0. Ito po yun. And then, on letter C, tinatanong yung prefix link. Paano natin makukuha yung prefix link? Just add this. 8, 16, 24. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng 24. Tapos, in the network address, 192.168.1.1, we have to underline the network portion. Ito yung network portion niya. And then, this is the host portion. Okay. So, on the video, I have to answer those questions. Why do we need to convert the decimal value to binary numbers? So, these are my these are my answers. Because that is the way for our computer to understand us. Unlike human, we communicate through language, through words. But it's different with the computer. The computer understand us by binary numbers. So, number 2, why all computing devices have an IP address? Is it possible to have a similar address among n devices? My answer with this is, for the computer not to be confused, they made a special address, unique address. Unlike in real life, we have our own addresses. For example, in Lazada, For the delivery man not to be confused where to deliver the parcel, we have this own addresses. Ganon din sa ganon din sa computer. Yan. Like telephone number or street address, the computing device needs its own identity. Having its own identity, having trouble in transferring information from one computer to another. Imagine having the same address. Of course, like human computers, will become confused also where to deliver the message. What if they have the same they have the same address, tapos dineliver dun sa isa, pero hindi pala para sa kanya yung message. So, there will be a trouble. What is the importance of subnet mask? So, the importance of subnet mask is that it segregates IP address into network bits that identify the network and host bit that identify the host device operating on that network. So, that is my answer with number 3. So, with the last question, what can you conclude from this activity? I therefore conclude that though computing devices have different way of communicating to other devices, and it uses numerals as its mode of language for operation and commands, still it is achievable for humans to convert and translate. Why? Because tayong human ang nag-invento kay computer. So, it is achievable for us to translate kahit pa ba numbers yung ini-entry natin ng mga commands at mode of communication ni computer is binary numbers. It is still translatable or convertible like that. All we need is a practice and knowledge about things. And that's all. Thank you.